how to replace the Lint or plinth filter in a Miele T1 dryer. You're going to want to do this. If you're getting the F66 error on the dryer, it's probably this needs to be replaced. You can actually clean these out a couple times, but you're going to want to change them every few times. They look like this. I'll put a link below to where you can actually get the filter. Another reason to not clean them is they're not that expensive. And all we need to do is we're going to come down here and replace it down here. So we're going to open this door here by pushing this button here. And it's not a button, it's just pushing on the door and it will pop open. And then we can just pull the whole thing out. And you'll see that this filter is in here this is obviously the filter side where the air goes through because this is kind of dirty. And what we're going to do is just going to pull it off. And then you're just going to pop your new one back on. Now it's very easy to figure out because there are 3 holes. And so if I try to do this, if I try to put it on backwards, it won't let me do it anyways. So the only way I can do it is by lining up those 3 holes. Once I do that, all I need to do is slide this back in, push it all the way to the end. It'll just kind of fit snugly in there. Then I'm just going to push this door closed till it clicks. And I am done.